Ice Spice has called out and blown kisses at fans in the crowd of her concert who booed Taylor Swift. During Ice Spice's recent set she did at the Rolling Loud Festival, the song Karma, which she featured on played during her set. When this happened, a lot of fans started booing and thumbing down at her on stage. This was their way of saying that they hate Taylor and don't want any music of hers to be played. Since Ice is a true friend to Taylor, she did not take this lightly. She reacted to this by blowing a kiss at all of the haters as her way of saying she thinks the haters are losers and that she doesn't have any time for them. Ice has been lauded for this, and many people have said she's one of Taylor's truest friends. She has defended Taylor multiple times in the past and always been on her side, and this is yet another incident where she has proven that she's loyal to Taylor Swift. Fans online are giving Ice a lot of praise for this, but others have said they feel as if she is kissing up to Taylor in order to be relevant and go viral on social media. Taylor has a lot of power in the music industry, so there's a lot to gain from being friends and being close with her. One fan said, "Is it just me, or does it seem like Ice Spice is trying a little too hard to be Taylor Swift's BFF? I get that they're friends, but this whole kissing up thing feels a bit calculated. I think she may be using Taylor for clout." Another fan said, "I'm not buying it. Ice Spice is just using Taylor Swift to stay relevant. She knows that Taylor has a massive fan base and she's trying to tap into that. It's all about clout chasing." And finally, one more fan said, "That's my girl! Ice Spice is a real one. She's not afraid to stand up for what she believes in, even if it means going against her own crowd. I respect her for that." For this video's comment question, do you think Ice is kissing up to Taylor for relevancy? Before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily news updates on your favorite celebs. Thanks a lot for watching.